Is digital marketing worth it? When I got started in digital marketing, I never knew I would start building an affiliate marketing business within digital marketing, having affiliate links. I have two affiliate links. So when a potential prospect purchase a product, I earn commission. Remember, when you are in digital marketing, you earn 100% of your profits, right? So this is integrated. I integrate affiliate marketing into digital marketing, right? So you are building a business within a business. The third benefit is I never knew you are building assets for yourself. You are building a YouTube channel. You are building your video real estate that works and fight for you on the social media platforms. So whilst you are busy with jogging, running, eating, working, studying, reading, watching television, your videos are working for you. I never knew you were a sales funnel is a asset. This allows you to generate leads, nurture leads, build your email list to convert into paying customers on complete autopilot whilst you are not present online or in the transaction, to close sales, to be on the phone speaking on the phone, trying to close a sale, or on WhatsApp, on Facebook, trying to close the sale with your potential prospect. But a sales funnel can close the sale on your behalf. I never knew that those are the benefits when I dived into digital marketing. My perception was I would just document videos and people will start clicking on my link, and I'm driving traffic into a capture page or a sales form so that I can generate leads, nurture leads, build my email list, and can convert leads into paying customers. I was simply not aware that you are building a business within a business and building another business within that business, and you are building assets. That opened my mind to the unlimited opportunities when you start grasping the fact that you can start doing different things, and when you start getting to do things, that opens your mind into doing other things, and you start learning other imperative things about online and digital marketing that you never thought of, or that you even never knew and understood.